Easy and effective way to trade with pocket option using up and down trading alerts from MetaTrader 4, introducing you to the Binary Sniper Pro indicator, which provides clear signals for quick trading. Some trades may lose, but using these signals, you can expect a 70% to 80% success rate. We got already signals here from our MetaTrader 4. We got already GBP JPY, a buy signal. We already traded with it, also associated with USD JPY and USD CHF. We will go trade for it going uptrend. We used Binary Sniper version 2.3. It also calculates options level for 1 minute expiry. Euro JPY and CHF JPY got uptrend signals. Let's trade with it and make sure to see its charting positions on a 5 seconds time frame. If it's gonna be tradable and have a good trading position on quick 1 minute reversals. Like this one, the trend goes down, and since we have a buy alert here, let's trade going up on it. Another rapid sell alert from our indicator. Let's go trade with it. As we can see here, GBP CHF, a not reliable pair to trade. We might get lose on it. Make sure to trade on at least 80% and above ROI or return. Invest only what you can afford to lose, and trade only 1% to 2% of your balance per trade, to avoid massive losses. Set daily profit targets and stop-loss limits. Hoping that we can win on our open trades. See the rest of the video and follow us to get latest trading strategies with Pocket Option and other trading brokers. See the description below on how to install the indicator to your system.